In today's video, let me walk you through the process on how you can apply for a job on Indeed. Indeed can be a great platform whether you're looking for a remote or an on-site job. The way that you apply is fairly easy. You just need to search for a job title, keyword, or straight away the company that you're trying to work for. Along with that, you can also select your location, or you can also choose the remote option. This way, Indeed will filter out all of the jobs that are available. So for example, if you search for a job title, it's going to show you all of the jobs that are available based on your match. You can change your settings such as the pay or the distance you are willing to travel to and the nature of the job as well. So you can take a look at all of these settings that you can change so that you are able to find different job opportunities inside your niche. Now the way that you apply, you can just click on the apply button on any job that you're trying to apply for. Also, you can take a look at the details that this job needs. So just click on the apply now button. Now there are going to be a few steps that you need to follow and a few details that you need to fill in. First of all, make sure all of your information is correct and make sure that your resume is uploaded. Whether you uploaded a PDF or build a resume through Indeed, make sure your resume is selected and make sure you verify it as well. You just need to scroll down to the bottom of this page and make sure you click on the submit your application. This way your job application will be submitted to the employer that you're trying to apply to. So that's all there is in applying for a job inside of Indeed. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe for more future videos relating to this.